Hey guys, welcome back to another video here. Something a little different from the norm. We have a Nissan Silvia in the house today. This is a really beautiful specimen, super low kilometers and very good condition. So in this vid, we are going to be tackling some of the obscure but very cliche. If you know Nissans, this is a very typical spot for rust. So we also have something else to do, quite a bit more exciting than the rust spot, which is a factory body kit for this car, along with the matching spoiler. So that consists of front bumpers, side skirts, rear spats, the trunk to fit the spoiler, and then we're gonna paint it all to match, and it's gonna be pretty rad. So the first spot we are going to get into is the rust spot. Can anyone guess where it is? All right, well, I'm about to show you. So under the hood here, everything else is looking great, and here we have a very cliche Nissan rust spot. Here it is layered quite a bit, and you can see this section is rusting kind of into the edge there, and you can feel underneath, you can get deep in there. The layer that would be under this layer is also a little crusty. So I mean, if we just cleaned up the top here, it would make it look better, but it wouldn't necessarily stop the corrosion that is going on in this section. So what I'm gonna do is drill out the spot welds for this. I'm gonna have to take the cowl off because it goes a little bit back into there. I'm gonna have to peel up this section, of which this would be the actual frame horn here. I'm gonna have to peel that up to get this little guy out. And here we have a brand new replacement for there. And we're gonna prep it all, clean it all inside, and put that guy on. So we're gonna start with drilling out these spot welds, get the cowl off, and work on getting this guy out of there. All right, now we've got the plate out there. So there's this little under guy. It was spot welded to that. These Nissans have rather large spot welds. So it was kind of like, there's one there that is significantly larger than I'm used to. So originally I was using a 5/16 spot weld bit. It would not even come close to taking the edges apart. So I ended up upping till I was able to get some separation. On these little guys, I used the little tiny belt sander that does a really good job, keeps things nice and clean. These ones, I'll be able to tune that up. But aside from that, we do have some sandwiched rust in there. This is common in the Nissans, even in the GTR, you'll find all this same rust between the layers in the frame horn. So what I'm gonna have to do now is clean that up all the best I can. I'm gonna get some acid on it to kill the rust there. Then we're gonna get some zinc primer and we can begin to fit our new piece in there. So there we go, that looks really good. And what I'll have to do with my pop can effect here is hammer that back down flat. Before we do that, we're gonna get her all cleaned up. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Overall, this turned out super duper awesome. The color match is insane considering the rest of the car is original paint, and this is a 1998, so this is 26-year-old paint. We had our paint rep come to the shop, scan the car, make a custom mix for the paint. He brought it by, we tested it out, we gave him the okay, went ahead and turned out just awesome. Like, I am surprised how well the color match turned out. Overall, hope you guys enjoyed this video and this little revamp on this beautiful 1998 Nissan Silvia. Alright guys, till the next one,